are at it together. We are absolutely everywhere and we love it. Nothing is for sure in this game. Rivalries are re-stoked. Momentum is gathering. This is what makes us tick. This is what makes our heart beat. Week on week and month on month.
This is the stuff of cloud.
Friendship becomes second to the colour of a shirt. There is no certainty, there is always jeopardy, it is always on the edge, it is always football time.
This is the league we want to watch.
And that's kind of it.